Welcome, my viewers and my subscribers. How you all doing? I am here this morning and I'm going to cook some stew peas. That is peas and pigtail. All right. So how is everybody today? All right. So I have some pigtail and I have my peas here, guys. I already put to soak and I started cutting off the fat from the pigtail. All right. I know that some of you guys don't eat pork, but I am just cooking some stew peas. Okay, so I'm just cutting off the fats. So I have my water over here boiling. Lots of fat. So I'm going to put this in the water. Okay. So I'm boiling out the salt from the pigtail. Okay, and let me know if you eat pigtail. So they're going to stay like 8 minutes or so. So I'm going to stay there boil. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. So this already been scald off. Boil all the salt. All the salt I try to boil it out, right? So I'm going to change the water and put it in a different water. All right, guys, you can see I have boiling water here. So I'm going to put it back in it, guys. You can see. I know the meat, it's harder than the peas. So I'm going to throw off some of the water. So I'm going to put the peas with it also. So anyone finish cook softer or quicker, I take it out. So I'm going to leave it there. And it's just two peas. It comes with white rice. That's how we Jamaican do it. We do it with white rice. So I didn't want to use all of the peas, but that's okay. This is not a one-time dinner. It's like 2 nights. Okay. You see? So peas already soaked, washed, and everything. So I'm going to get my, we're going to stay there and cook maybe a 3/4 hour. Okay, guys? So I'm going to cover. So continue watching my videos, please. And my subscribers and viewers, thank you for watching my videos. All right? I'm going to cover now and let it stay there. So I'm going to get my rice pot ready. Okay? And if this is taking, my pot is here is taking too long, I'm going to use a pressure cooker. So I have my pressure cooker here ready in case I want to change. Okay, guys, pick up yourself. And as I say, thanks for subscribing to my videos. Yes, my viewers, this is my pot to put my rice in. Okay. And I'm saying the pressure cooker is waiting. And this is my rice. This is my butter. Maybe I put butter. I'm not sure if I put some margarine in it. Over here, I have a salt. All right. So these are to put in it. Slap your mama. As I say, my salt, pimento, Maggi seasoning. If it want any salt. And this is my, okay. So these are what I'm going to use. I'm going to show you the pot boiling up now, okay. You can see it's boiling, guys. All right. So you're going to cook maybe about a 3/4 hour. Guys, I'm putting a little salt in my rice pot, just a little, not much. And I'm going to put up just a little margarine. It's a small amount, guys. All right. So I'm going to wash the rice now and put in it. I have to change it. I just put the in the pressure cooker because it's going to take a long while. So I just put it in it. Okay. So I'm going to get the rice wash. So guys, I wash my rice and I wash it like 3, 4 times. Okay. So I'm going to put my rice in. This is how I do it. Yeah, my pot is boiling up over there. Okay. It's easier for me. I know my sink is on the other side. See? All right, so I'm gonna let it stay there and simmer. Okay then. So my rice is boiling, guys. Okay. So I gauge the fire. It was all the way down. So I turn it up like this. Okay. So while the rice is cooking, I have to turn on the fire very low. Okay. And guys, I'm making some spinners. Spinners is like dumpling. I put the spinners in your pot with the sweet. So I keep a little salt in it. So I'm going to make it like dumpling now. Okay, you can see. And you can use also a spoon. You can use a spoon also and you make your dumpling. Okay, guys? You mix it up like this. Or you can use your hands like this. Just like how you make dumpling. This is my dumpling. So I'm going to roll them in spinners as soon as the peas is cooked with the meat. So I'm going to turn these into spinners. Okay? And you can make them like dumpling also. Alright, I'm going to show you as I go. Yes, my viewers, this is my pot already. I'm putting in my spinners now. And let's say you do it like this. Drop it like this. Yes, my viewers, I'm putting some like a round one too. And we don't have to follow tradition by just rolling our spinners like that. We don't have to do that, guys. We can change up a little bit. The piece is a bit, this is not a good piece to cook my pigtail. Realize it's open up. And sometimes they open up and they are not cooked. It's like a trashy piece. Like, but guys, you can see, I'm going to get my season ready now. Okay. Guys, I'm showing you my season. This is my season. Onion, pepper, thyme, scallion, and this is seasoned salt with a little slap your mama seasoning. So I'm scraping it out. And you put to your taste, guys. Put to your taste. You can see? Put to your taste. Have a little thyme. I don't normally use a thyme like this. I always boil and strain. So let me try it again. This way, guys. So, and you can put some a little coconut milk in it. But don't make it too salty. You can see? So it's going to stay there and simmer down, guys. Alright. And the taste is okay because the taste is okay. No more salt in it. Alright. So you're going to stay there like another 5 or 6 minutes. So let it stay there and simmer. Okay, guys? Mm. Right, shelly and nice, guys. You see? So I'm almost there. And look at my, can you see, guys? You see, guys? That's my stew piece, okay? That's my stew piece, guys. You see? So I'm gonna stay there like the next 2 minutes and then it's finished. As a matter of fact, it's finished now, guys. You can see? And my rice. Let me cover. So as you can see, guys, it's finished. This is my finished pigtail. And if you want any of it, you can just come right over. So it's finished now, guys. I have, you have to leave a little water in it because if you make it too thick, after a while it will dry out. So you have to leave it like this, guys. All right. Thanks for watching again. And this is my rice, guys. You can see it's my rice and my pigtail. Okay, so I'm not going to eat now. I'm not going to share out any now. This is for later because it's early now. So this is for later. So I'm just showing you my two pots and you can come over for some. All right, for all those who eat and to all of my subscribers, all of you guys that subscribe to my channel, Sister Odette, Miss Vivi, Miss Sharon, Miss Joy, all of you guys. I don't remember some of the name, but everyone, you made my day. All right. So big up yourself and you take care of yourself. Yes, my viewers. So you big up yourself and you take care of yourself, guys. And remember, let's pray one for another. And guys, remember to continue to help me pray for the barrel. I can get some money to finish up my barrel. It's almost finished, but I can get that I can that the God that my God will help me finish up and can clear it and can set it up. So the prayer for me as me get some money. All right, then big up for yourself. I want to take care of yourself. Me not share out no food now, but later on I share because it's early now. Okay, so bye bye and love you guys. Remember, this is my pigtail with peas. All right, with white rice. So I see you in another video. Bye bye. Take care. Love you guys.